Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about logarithmic differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing I will put about y equals to x to the power of n. Later that we put about natural law for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about fn8 to the power of b equals to b fn8. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So, first derivative of fny, we have first derivative of y over y. This one, we have 1 over x. So, we put y go to the right. And we know that y that is about this one. And this one divided by x, we have x to the power of n minus 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.